They say you need to make 6 figures to become a millionaire. That's a lie. Because truth is, you can retire a millionaire even if you earn an average salary. Yes, you. You don't need to win the lottery, start a company, or get lucky. You just need time, consistency, and a simple plan that works quietly in the background. In this video, I'll show you exactly how normal people, teachers, secretaries, even janitors, became millionaires before retirement, and how you can too. So stay with me till the end, because I'm about to show you the step-by-step path that can turn your paycheck into a 7-figure retirement fund, no matter what you earn today. Here's the truth most people never realize: wealth isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and grow. Think about this: some people make $100,000 a year and still live paycheck to paycheck, while others make $45,000 and retire millionaires. The difference isn't luck, it's habits. According to multiple studies, over 60% of millionaires in America never earn more than the average household income. They just used simple, repeatable systems, saving early, investing consistently, and letting time do the heavy lifting. Let's do a little math. If you invest just $400 a month from age 25, with an average 8% return, by 65 you'll have over $1 million. That's the power of compound interest, your money making money for you, even while you sleep. But if you wait 10 years to start, you'll have to invest more than double, almost $900 a month, to reach the same result. That's why the most powerful wealth building tool isn't your salary, it's time. Every dollar you save early becomes a worker that never gets tired, it just keeps growing. And the sooner you start, the fewer dollars you'll need. So before we talk about investing or retirement accounts, let's build the right foundation, because wealth doesn't begin with income. It begins with a decision. The decision to live below your means, to save first, and to make your money work harder than you do. Alright, let's talk about how you can actually do it, step by step. Here's the 5-step plan that can turn an average income into long-term wealth. Sounds simple, right? But this is where most people fail. You can't invest what you don't save. Start by tracking where every dollar goes for a month. Once you know your habits, create a 50-30-20 budget, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investing. Automate your savings first, treat it like a bill that must be paid. Because if you wait until the end of the month to save, you'll find nothing left. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt is like a hole in your bucket. No matter how much water you pour in, it keeps leaking. Start by paying off credit cards, personal loans, or anything charging you more than 8 to 10% interest. Use either the debt snowball method, pay smallest debts first, or the avalanche method, pay highest interest first. Once that's under control, build a small emergency fund, 3 to 6 months of expenses. This fund keeps you from going into debt again when life throws surprises. Step 3. Start investing, even small. Now that you're saving, it's time to make your money work for you. Start with simple investments, you don't need to be a financial expert. Invest in index funds or ETFs, low cost, diversified, and perfect for beginners. Retirement accounts like a 401k, Roth IRA, or your local equivalent. If your employer offers a match, grab it, that's free money. The goal is to make investing automatic. Set it and forget it. Because the secret isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Let's say you invest $10 a day, just the cost of lunch. At 8% annual growth, that small habit turns into $1 million in about 40 years. That's the quiet power of consistency. Now, let's talk about your income. Because yes, saving and investing are crucial, but increasing your income gives your wealth plan fuel. Learn new skills. Take online courses. Start a small side hustle or freelance gig. Even an extra $200 a month invested can shave years off your millionaire timeline. The key is, when your income grows, don't inflate your lifestyle. Keep living like you earn less, and invest the difference. That's how average people quietly get rich. Now let's move to the mindset that ties it all together, because discipline, not luck, builds wealth. Most people lose money not because they don't know what to do, but because they don't stay consistent long enough to their results. You must think long-term. Ignore market noise, avoid emotional decisions, and stay invested even when the market dips. Here's the truth. Every millionaire you admire had boring discipline, not exciting luck. They automated their savings, reinvested their gains, and gave compound interest time to do the heavy lifting. Wealth grows in silence. You won't feel rich for a long time, but one day, you'll look up and realize your money has been quietly multiplying behind the scenes. So here's your millionaire formula. Earn right pointing arrow, save right pointing arrow, invest right pointing arrow, repeat. You don't need to be rich to retire rich. You just need to start today. Because the best time to start building wealth was yesterday. The second best time is right now. So if you're ready to take control of your future, start small, stay consistent, and let time do the rest. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and share it, so more everyday people can realize they, too, can retire millionaires.